Hey ladies and gentlemen, Paul Salter here, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to recognize when it's time to stop dieting and to start transitioning to a weight maintenance phase. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when it's time to stop dieting, because I'm going to share with you 3 specific signs to look for that make you aware that it's time to transition to a post-diet weight maintenance phase. And a quick reminder, for the best weight regain prevention advice, make sure you go ahead and do yourself a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that bell in the top corner of your screen to make sure you're notified when I release a brand new video every single Tuesday. Do you feel uncertain about how long to diet for, or maybe even fearful about stopping your diet because you don't want to undo all of your hard work and regain the weight that you've worked so hard to lose? Well, I'm here to tell you that you're not alone. However, if you continue just to diet and diet and diet, you will exponentially increase the likelihood that you regain all of the weight that you have worked so hard to lose. And the 3 signs I'm going to share with you in this video about helping you figure out when it's time to stop dieting and start maintaining are the very same signs I have used to help hundreds of my successful one-on-one nutrition coaching clients transition to a strong maintenance phase without undoing all of their hard work.
Wow.
Although dieting can provide a huge surge in dopamine and general great feelings of accomplishment, well, sometimes we forget that dieting is both a physiological and psychological stress on our bodies and our mind. And as a result, several physiological and psychological adaptations take place to get us to stop dieting. Ever been hungry 6 weeks into your diet? Yeah. Ever spent hours, it feels like, thinking about your next meal or what you're going to have after a long workday? Well, that's an example of just some of the many adaptations taking place. And unfortunately, the longer you diet, the more pronounced and harsher these adaptations become, which means you are more likely to indulge in an off-plan meal or to binge the entire weekend. And unfortunately for you, the deeper you are into a diet, the more pronounced the negative consequences are as a result of getting off track. And all those extra calories you just consumed? Well, maybe in a perfect world they'd be quickly converted to muscle, but unfortunately they are rapidly stored and prioritized as body fat. Fortunately for you, in my Beyond the Diet bundle, I detail the exact physiological and psychological adaptations that take place during a diet. And after reading and watching all 4 components of the Beyond the Diet bundle, you'll have a thorough understanding of what changes take place and how to overcome, or at least best manage, every single one. And you can click the link on the screen to get access and begin reading and watching my Beyond the Diet bundle now. When it comes to dieting beyond 90 days, the return on your investment is minimal, but the risk for potential disaster exponentially increases with every subsequent day beyond day 90. And here's my word of advice. Even if you did not meet your weight loss goal, you still should transition to a post-diet weight maintenance phase, because doing so and deciding not to push beyond day 90 will give you the best chance at not only maintaining your hard-earned weight loss, but it will also put you in the best position possible to lose weight down the road during a subsequent diet. And with that said, I have a quick question for you, and you can simply answer in the comment section below this video. In the past, what has been one reason that you have dieted longer than 90 days? Answer this question in the comment section below. The longer you've been dieting, the more of a negative impact any off-plan eating will have. If you find yourself consistently grazing, picking off your children's plates or munching on snacks throughout the day, this is the best time and a major sign, considered a red flag if you will, that it's time to stop dieting and to transition to a post-diet weight maintenance phase. Now, it's common to experience a dip in workout performance and energy the final few weeks during your diet. But if a weight you were once moving with ease or, completing plenty of repetitions has suddenly become a major struggle as of late, well, this could be a major red flag that you are losing precious muscle mass. And the result of that loss in muscle mass? Well, a negative impact on both your physique and your metabolism. If you notice a trend of a few poor workouts in a row, consider taking an extra day or two off from the gym to prioritize recovery. However, if this becomes a trend, or even worse, the new norm, well, that's another sign that it's time to stop dieting and ultimately time to transition to a post-diet weight maintenance phase. Now that you're aware of when to transition to a post-diet weight maintenance phase and very aware of 3 major red flags or signs that it's time to stop dieting, it's time for you to learn exactly how to make that transition. And fortunately for you, I filmed a short video that details exactly how to successfully and borderline effortlessly transition from a dieting phase to a post-diet weight maintenance phase. Now, you've likely dieted far too long in the past, or maybe you're currently nearing that 90-day mark. Well, to help you best prepare to begin thinking beyond the diet and beyond day 90, you'll absolutely want to get your hands on my Beyond the Diet bundle, and you can do so by clicking the link on the screen or right below this video. Well, how do you feel about transitioning from a weight loss to a weight maintenance phase? I'd love to know, so leave your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, or if you learned something, please give it a thumbs up or a like, and leave a comment about what your biggest takeaway was in the comments section below. And of course, don't hesitate to share this video with a friend, family member, or colleague who would absolutely benefit from this educational material. And lastly, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss an entire video dedicated to sharing weight regain prevention strategies with you. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.